Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I'm running Fedora 12, and I wanted to, right there, FC12, I wanted to try out the pre-upgrade and see if it works. And I am on the pre-upgrade page on Fedora, so I'm going to do some of the commands it suggests, namely dfhboot, and there it is, dfhboot. As the site mentions, I only have my boot kernel, or my boot sector is right there. 200 megabytes for previous releases can be a problem for users upgrading from that release. Okay, so that's definitely me. The size is 200 megabytes, but I've got quite a bit of space. 55, so I've got 150 megs of space. So I am going to, it needs 26 megs of free space in boot. Okay, that's fine, I got plenty of that. But I'll go ahead and run these commands here just to see what happens. We go to root. And, alright, so I'm at root now, and if I Control-Shift-V, I should be able to paste in everything. It looks like it did. Alright, so I just copy-paste that, Control-Shift-V. Okay, it's all done. Kernel pride, now this is telling me that I can delete this one, I guess. Now to actually remove the kernel versions listed by the above command, run the following as root. Okay. Let's do, oh, okay, so as root, Control-C, Control-Shift-V, alright, didn't give me any message. Control-C, Control-Shift-V, okay, that's the one, and now yum remove packages. Copy. Okay, I understand. It's created this value here, that variable, and now it's going to remove it. Okay, so is this okay? Yes, it's okay for me. That's 80 megs. Alright, so that's got to remove or erase the old ones. And now let's try dfhboot, see what the difference is. Alright, I haven't been. I did dfhboot as user. Okay. dfhboot. Okay, so available is 146. Doesn't look like. Oh, okay. Use was 30%. Now it's less. So got 146, which should be more than enough for the 26 megs that it says that it needs right there. Now, what is not clear in these instructions for me is what happens, because Fedora has a 500 megabyte default boot partition. But what happens when it only comes up with 200? I don't know what that means, but we'll go ahead and do that in the next demo. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.